Hello, welcome to Todd Miller TV. It's May 1st today, so I'm going to do a Las Vegas real estate market update for May of 2013. The big news is that's come out is that home prices last month went up 2% in a month. So a $200,000 house went up $4,000 essentially. A $100,000 house, $2,000, which is, that's pretty nice. So we're in this market right now where there's very little inventory. So, people that wanting to get a house are pushing values. That's sort of what's going on. And I just want to talk about that a little bit because in a way it's misleading. So remember what we're talking about is median home prices. So here's what's going on. If you buy a house, let's say you buy a house for $100,000, you put repairs into it and you flip it for $120,000. Those two items get recorded. So there's a $100,000 sale and a $120,000 sale. So that $20,000 difference in value, it looks like the house appreciated $20,000. So what's happening is that 2%, it's a little misleading because what we don't take into account is the value add of flips. So for the last year, prices have gone up. It's not all market related. Some of it is value add. For example, flipping, or anybody who buys a house rehabs it or whatever. The other thing you're seeing is we have less short sales happening now than we had a year ago. Short sales, the traditional wisdom for short sales is they sell for less because they're not a true market value because sellers don't care. They're just like, get rid of the house, whatever, they get listed low, they get offers, they get accepted. So I want you to bear in mind that, yes, the market's appreciating. Is the 2% per month going to last? No, it's not going to last. We all know it's not going to last. We are below the long-term value of where property should be. So, yes, there is some more upward pressure. But a lot of times this news spurs people. And what's happened is in the last month, more than any month ever, I've had people call me saying, I want to buy a house in Vegas all of a sudden, because what happens is people hear the news and they get all excited and then they want to jump on the train. And then it just feeds it. So that's what's going on. That's what's been happening. The inventory hasn't changed. Every month I talk about inventory numbers. Inventory numbers haven't changed. Number of sales haven't changed. It's been steady now for about a year. Total number of houses and everything. If you want, you can go look at one of my older monthly market updates for Las Vegas and I'll give you that data. But the big news is the 2%. Don't try to read in too much into it or draw too many things. Yes, prices are going up. There's upward pressure and everything, but there's more to it than that. So, things that have stayed stable are like rents. Rents haven't changed very much. ROIs on rents have gone down a little just because the prices are higher than they were, a year ago. So I thought I'd share that with you. That's sort of the update. It could do anything for the rest of the year. There's still potentially some properties coming on the market that are bank owns that we don't know about and some other interesting things happening. So I thought I'd share that with you. That's my market update for the month of May 2013 here in Las Vegas, and hope to see you on another video. Thanks.